Assalamu alaikum. Everybody, today we are going to explore 4 new expressions that will help you to sound more natural in English. So we have 4 rows, and in these 4 rows we have 4 expressions. Every row will make the sentences on one expression. So why I'm doing this? Because these expressions will help you to sound more natural. These expressions will help you to use English in day-to-day life. For example, the first expression is piece of cake. What is the meaning of piece of cake? A part of cake or pastry? No, not at all. See, this is so concerning and surprising for me that you are in English medium school and then you are in 7th standard and you haven't heard before what is the meaning then piece of cake? Not the literal meaning, the figurative meaning. See, some words have figurative meaning, some words have figurative meaning plus literal meaning, and some words only are used as literal meaning only. So the piece of cake is not used normally as literal meaning. The word piece of cake sometimes is used as figurative meaning. Like piece of cake means very easy. What is the meaning of piece of cake? Very easy. And this is so common. Natural or native speakers, they use it in day-to-day life. Piece of cake means very easy. In the same way, once in a blue moon. I think you know this. You don't know this? Once in a blue moon? Oh my God. Once in a blue means sometimes. And this is so common. I do this once in a blue moon. In the last speech also I have said that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughs once in a blue moon. So once in a blue moon means sometimes. And yeah, the next word is a little hard, and this expression is a hard nut to crack. A hard nut to crack means very difficult, but this is not a hard nut to crack. For example, solving this puzzle is a hard nut to crack, or you can say solving this puzzle is a piece of cake for me. And the third expression is through thick and thin. Through thick and thin. हर हाल में, in every situation, you have to go there through thick and thin. You have to meet him or her through thick and thin. कुछ भी हो जाए तुम्हें उससे मिलना ही है. कुछ भी. और एक और वर्ड आता है by hook or by crook. क्या आता है? By hook or by crook. हर हाल में. If you want it, you don't want it. You have to do this. What this is called? By hook or by crook. Okay. Stand up, take this mic, and when you are done with the sentence, then pass the mic. Give it to him. You sit down. So we have 4 boys in the first row. Make one sentence using the expression piece of cake. Okay, say that writing something on the board is a piece of cake for me. Say, writing something on the board is a piece of cake for me. Say, writing something on the board is a piece of cake for me.
Writing is something of a.
Okay, you have this stutter problem.
Yes.
So say just in an easy word, writing on the board is a piece of cake for me.
Writing on the board is a cake of
piece of cake for me. Okay, pass the mic to him. Use this expression to make a sentence. Yes, continue.
Solving English exam is like a piece of cake.
Solving what?
English exam. English exam.
English exam. Solving English exam. Solving English paper. Solving English paper is a piece of cake for me. Say.
Solving English paper is like a piece of cake.
Piece of cake for me. Yes. Make any sentence using the expression piece of cake. Playing football is a piece of cake for me. Say.
Playing football is
a piece of cake for me.
Piece of cake.
Yes. Learning new subjects or learning English or speaking English is a piece of cake for me. Or
playing football,
drawing anything is a piece of cake for me. Just make any sentence.
Playing football in a big tournament is a piece of cake for me.
Playing football
in a big tournament.
Football in a big tournament is a piece of cake for me. Yeah, good. Yes.
Riding cycle is a piece.
Riding cycle. Yeah, learning how to cycle. Yeah, learning how to ride a cycle is a piece of cake for me. Yeah, riding bicycle is a piece of cake for me. Yeah, right. Okay, pass the mic. Yes, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means sometimes, right? So yeah, make a sentence. You can say that I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Every day I eat healthy, but once in a blue moon I eat fast food or junk food.
I eat fast food once in a moon.
Once in a blue moon.
I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Yes, pass the mic.
I go to garden once in a blue moon.
Very good. I go to garden once in a blue moon, not every day. Okay, yes.
I go to the mall.
I go to the mall once in a blue moon. Very good. I go to mall once in a blue moon. Now make sentences. Hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack. You can say that convincing my parents for the picnic is a hard nut to crack. Say, convincing my parents.
Convincing my parents
For picnic. From me, for picnic is a hard nut to crack.
Hard nut to crack.
Convincing to our school for going for a picnic.
Convincing our school management for a picnic is a hard nut to crack. Say out loud.
Convincing to the school management is a hard nut to crack.
For picnic is a
For
hard.
picnic is hard nut to crack.
Or solving maths or understanding Marathi subject or concept or topic is a hard nut to crack. Say, understanding Marathi or speaking Marathi is a hard nut to crack.
Speaking Marathi hard nut to crack.
Because Marathi is the nightmare for the Muslim students. Okay. The fourth, what was the fourth expression? Through thick and thin, or by hook or by crook. Okay, so you can make a sentence like, okay, just leave through thick and thin and by hook or by crook. Take the easy one. Okay, use the word, not the expression. Very easy word, curious. You know the meaning of curious? I'm curious what is in his tiffin. Say, I'm curious.
I am curious.
What is the meaning of curious? To have the urge to know something. To have the urge to know something. चाहत होनी कोई चीज जानने की क्या? For example, some people or some students are there, standing there, and they are fighting, they are talking something, and I'm very curious what's happening there. So yeah.
I am very curious.
I am very curious.
I am very curious to listen the secret of my friends.
To listen the
Secret.
of my friend. Ask the mic.
I am very curious. I am very curious. What is there in the pocket?
What is there in the pocket? What is there in his pocket? Ask the mic.
I am very curious about. I am very curious to know the mystery of flight 914.
Curious to know the mystery of flight 19 or something. 914. Okay. 914. Yes. Very good. Yes. Ask the mic.
I am very curious to know. I am very curious to know about the history of ancient times.
Ancient times. Very good. I am very curious to know about the history of ancient times.
I am very curious to go Makkah Medina.
I am very curious to go Makkah. No, not like that. I am very curious to know what is inside the Khana
I am
Kaaba.
very curious to know the pyramids.
The mystery of pyramids. Who built it? Or the builders of the pyramid? Ask the mic.
I am very curious to know the mystery of.
I'm very curious to know the history. What happened? I'm very curious to know the history of India.
I am
what
curious
happened?
to know the history of India.
Stop the video.